Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking all about Dubai's tax and business regulations that you need to know before moving there. With its tax-free environment and business-friendly policies, Dubai has become a popular destination for entrepreneurs and expats alike. But before you make the big move, it's important to understand the rules and regulations around taxation and starting a business there. From VAT to trade licenses, I'll explain everything you need to know in this comprehensive guide. So whether you're thinking of launching a startup or just relocating for work, make sure to watch until the end to get the full scoop on doing business in Dubai. Taxes in Dubai. First things first, let's talk about the taxes in Dubai. Many people are attracted to Dubai because they've heard that there are no personal and income taxes. This is mostly true, but there are still a few taxes that may apply. Value-added tax, VAT. The main tax to be aware of is VAT, or value-added tax. As of January 1, 2018, the standard VAT rate in Dubai is 5%. This applies to the supply of most goods and services, including hotel stays, restaurant meals, electronics, clothing, entertainment, transportation, telecommunications, and more. Basically, if you're buying something or using a service, you'll see this 5% tax added at the point of sale. As a consumer, you won't need to file any tax returns, but you will end up paying VAT on most transactions. Some exceptions. Certain sectors like healthcare, education, and real estate are exempt from VAT. Also, exports of goods and services outside the UAE are zero-rated. As a business owner, you will need to register for VAT if your taxable annual revenues exceed 375,000 AED. This is around $100,000. Once registered, you must charge 5% VAT on your sales and pay it to the government on a regular basis. All taxable businesses are required to maintain accurate financial records, file regular VAT returns, and submit to audits. You'll need to keep all your tax invoices, reports, and documents organized and up to date. VAT law in the UAE is enforced by the Federal Tax Authority. Failure to register when required can result in hefty fines. Penalties can also be imposed for late filings, inaccurate returns, and other compliance issues. It's crucial to have a good handle on your VAT obligations before operating any business in Dubai. An accountant can help you stay compliant and avoid any expensive mistakes. Corporate tax. While there is no personal income tax in Dubai, corporate tax does exist if you own or operate a business in Dubai that's registered as an LLC or corporation. You will need to pay taxes annually on your company's profits. Corporate tax rates vary between 0 to 50% depending on the type of business activities. The general manufacturing rate is 15%. Trading companies pay 20%, and banking and oil companies have higher rates around 50%. There are also certain deductions and exemptions that can apply. Free zone companies have different rules when it comes to corporate tax, which I'll explain more shortly. But in general, anticipate paying annual corporate tax if you form a mainland Dubai company. Proper bookkeeping is essential to calculate what you owe. It's worth noting that all taxes in Dubai are paid at the federal level to the UAE government. There is no additional taxation imposed by local Dubai authorities. Customs duties. Another type of tax to factor in is customs duties. When importing or exporting goods in and out of Dubai and the UAE, you'll likely need to pay customs taxes and import duties. The rates vary widely based on the type of goods and country of origin. For example, the duty rate for importing clothing is around 5 to 10%, while electronics tend to be 1 to 5%. Many personal items and household goods are exempt. As a business owner importing commercial shipments, you'll need to classify your goods properly and pay the applicable duties. The first AED 10,000 worth of imports per shipment can be brought in duty-free. You can consult resources like the HS tariff codes and integrated tariffs of the UAE to look up the specific import duty rates for your products. Keeping compliant with customs regulations is crucial, or you may face delays, fines, or have your goods confiscated. Hiring an experienced logistics provider or customs broker can help streamline the process. Business licenses and free zones. All right. Now that we've covered the key taxes, let's move on to talking about business licenses and regulations. Here are the main options for legally registering your business in Dubai. Mainland licenses. If you want to set up your business on the Dubai mainland, you'll need to apply for a specific type of license based on your activity: commercial, professional, tourism, industrial, etc. Depending on the license, you may need proof of capital, office space, business plans, and other documents. The exact requirements vary. Free zone licenses. The other option is to set up in one of Dubai's free zones. These are special economic zones designed to encourage business growth and foreign investment. Each free zone has its own rules, but benefits usually include 100% ownership, corporate tax exemptions, and less paperwork. You still need to register for VAT though. Some popular free zones include Dubai Internet City, Dubai Media City, and Dubai International Financial Center. Do your research to pick the right one for your company. Trade names and permits. Whichever license you obtain, you'll also need to register a unique company trade name and apply for any additional permits required. Certain activities like food service, medical services, education, real estate, and recruitment require extra clearances and regulations. Don't forget annual renewal of your licenses too. Between the license application, name registration, and special permits, the setup process can be complex in Dubai. Seeking guidance from a consultant or pro can help you navigate it smoothly. Hiring employees. All employees must have a valid residence visa sponsored by their employer. There are quotas dictating how many local Emiratis you need to hire versus foreign expats. Salaries must meet minimum wage requirements, and payments need to be made on time in full with proper documentation. Be aware of standard working hours, public holidays, annual leave, and employee rights. Business banking. To operate your Dubai company, you'll need business bank accounts both locally and internationally. Major banks like HSBC, Commercial Bank of Dubai, Mashreq Bank, Emirates NBD, and others offer corporate accounts. You'll need to submit your license, visa, and other documents. Benchmark different account features, fees, digital platforms, and payment options to find the best fit. Negotiate for deals as a new customer. For smaller or freelance businesses, fintech challenger banks like YO Bank and RAK Bank offer user-friendly options as well. Accounting and bookkeeping. You must maintain accurate books with detailed records of sales, taxes, payments, expenses, payroll, imports, exports, and more. QuickBooks Online or Xero can help you stay organized, or you can hire an accountant. But sloppy books can really come back to bite you during tax season or audits. Be meticulous about your record keeping from day one. Also, establish proper processes for invoicing, bank reconciliations, approvals, and filing VAT returns. I hope you enjoyed this video all about the topic. Let me know in the comments. What was your biggest takeaway from this video? And what are you still wondering about it? I'll do my best to answer your questions. If you found this video helpful, please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. Make sure you check out the links in the description for more information regarding understanding Dubai's tax and business regulations before you move. You'll find my favorite resources on Dubai's tax and business to take your skills to the next level. All right, awesome people. Thanks so much for watching.